Hi guys, Descent Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge. We've broken the halfway through day 16. Let's hop into the Discord to see what way today's triggers. We have alternate editorial epistemology, which is the philosophical study of nature and the origin of things and also the limit of human knowledge. So yeah, actually today I'm quite running. I have not too much time to make the piece. I have a piece in mind, so I'm gonna go off-road on today's triggers. I'm gonna do something completely different. A really simple idea I just thought about while I was watching a documentary on a local musician that has this tour that is called Postmortem. So thinking about death, I got this idea for a really simple poster, so let's just do it. Okay guys, I'm done with the piece. I was thinking about death and how one day everything will just go black. You know, when you close your eyes for the last time, it all goes black. So the original idea was to make it one day everything will go black with a nice empty space in the middle of the poster with the phrases at the extremes, right? But then as I started to play with it, I accidentally did like a stain in the middle of the poster, like a really diffuse dot, you know? And I thought, oh, I could do like the shape like you see when you squint your eyes. I imagined it to be like the last blink of the eye that you give when you're on the hospital bed and you see the lights and you're about to close your eyes, right? I know, pretty dark, you know what I mean? But I really like the end piece here, really simple, really to the point. I really like it. It's a blend between something literal and something quite abstract. So I guess I'm pretty happy with it actually. I did it in like 20 minutes. So okay guys, this was it. See you tomorrow. You already know how it is. Fuck peace. Wish you conflict.